Hello, my name is Alexa. I am Customer Success Manager in Perfect Wiki, and today I would like to welcome you to the first lesson of our course on creating efficient knowledge bases for your employees. So, why such a title? Throughout 4 years of operation and more than 300 interviews with customers in different fields and industries, we found out that many people do not actually know how knowledge-based systems work. So we managed to detect common pitfalls and work out a perfect strategy to make your knowledge systems efficient and usable. We would like to share our experience in creating knowledge bases that will help your employees succeed. So let's have a quick look at what we'll cover inside this course. We'll start talking about the advantages of creating a knowledge-based system in general, so you can see if it is a good fit for your team. Then we'll identify some common pitfalls of knowledge management and move on to the practical tips, so you can choose types of content you want to create and use inside your knowledge base. After that, we'll have a block on expanding and monitoring your content performance, where you will be able to create an always up-to-date and relevant knowledge-based system for your employees. And at the end of the course, we'll draw a bottom line and present you a special treat, a bonus code from Perfect Wiki, a top-rated Microsoft Teams knowledge-based solution, so you can have a smooth start with your knowledge management journey and build your own knowledge base throughout the course. We understand how difficult it can be to choose a perfect knowledge-based solution on such an abundant market, and we'll help you out with that. Throughout this course, we'll demonstrate all the tips and tricks of a knowledge-based system on Perfect Wiki, a top-rated knowledge-based solution for Microsoft Teams. Many customers love Perfect Wiki as it is easy to set up and maintain, and even a non-tech-savvy user can benefit from it. If you're interested, feel free to pause this video right now and jump on a free trial, so you can train throughout the course. So what's our main focus? In short, in this course, we won't talk about sophisticated or robust solution. We won't teach you coding or use programming languages. Instead of spending time on tedious setups, we would like to focus on creating intuitive and accessible knowledge-based solution that even a non-tech savvy user can set up in a couple clicks. We'll focus on creative, user-friendly interface that will really take you to the next level of knowledge management. So that's what our course is really about. We already mentioned that we would like to offer you an intuitive and easy-to-use solution. However, to be more precise, if you're a large business owner, an IT team lead who is responsible for errorless and smooth workflow, an HR specialist onboarding new people, or an accountant who always needs up-to-date and relevant statistics, everyone has one in common. Everyone needs a single source of truth to rely on and to refer to. If that hits the spot, this course is probably gonna be good for you. So, what are the benefits? Where will you end up after this course and what will you be able to do? Let's have a look at where you are right now. If you face some problems of information management, these pain points must be the problems you really feel. At one hand, you have your SOPs, manuals, and FAQs all scattered around, and your employees just can't find them, and you have to answer a lot of repetitive questions daily, multiple times. And at the other hand, you have PDF or Word files scattered around. Some are of the newest version, some are outdated and no longer relevant. And that leads us to the main problem. People do not actually use the knowledge. So, if you see yourself here, we'll help you out with that. You know what goals you want to achieve and feel that a single source of truth is key, but you don't know where to start? That's where our course comes in. So, by the end of this course, you'll be able to organize the knowledge the exact way people would like. You will not only create a single source of truth for them, you will be able to get rid of all the repetitive questions, email overloads, and the chaos you faced previously. Your internal knowledge base will help you structure your content in an organized and a user-friendly manner. And your knowledge base will be integrated into your daily workflow, so it won't add tasks to your list. You'll be able to delegate them to a dedicated solution in order to make your and your employees' life easier. Congrats on completing our first lesson on knowledge management. We hope that this initial session has provided you with some insights into this course, its target audience, and what benefits it can bring. And we also hope that you managed to set your goals for this course. Don't miss out on our next lesson where we'll dive deeply into the reasons why an internal knowledge base is a game changer for your organization. Plus, remember that by the end of this course, you'll get a special bonus offer from Perfect Wiki to kickstart your knowledge management journey. And if you're eager to start right now, sign up for a free trial. See you in our next lesson.